Do you have any questions?
Not really. I've showed her your videos.
So you've been watching the videos, and it makes sense to you.
Yeah.
Alhamdulillah. So if you have any question, you can ask. Is there any questions you have, or everything's clear?
No, I don't have any questions.
Okay, alhamdulillah, everything's clear. So to become Muslim, what was your background before?
Nothing.
Nothing. So alhamdulillah that you're from nothing as an atheist, you're believing God now. So I'm gonna say in Arabic, okay? Then repeat in English, okay? So say ashhadu an la ilaha illa Allah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasul Allah. In English, repeat after me in English. I bear witness.
I bear witness.
There is nothing
There is nothing
worthy of worship
worthy of worship
in truth
in truth
except Allah.
except Allah.
And I bear witness
I bear witness
that Muhammad
that Muhammad
is the messenger, is the last messenger
is the last messenger
and the servant of Allah.
as a servant of Allah.
Alhamdulillah, you become Muslim. Alhamdulillah, as a glad tidings, I give you my sister in Islam, that Prophet Muhammad said, when a person becomes a Muslim, all his sins or his sins forgiven. But Islam is based upon justice. So if you have a debt or you took something from someone unjustly, you have to give it back to him or to her. But whatever between you and Allah, for example, doing evil acts, then all of that is forgiven. But also I advise you with, you have to learn. Knowledge is very important. Because what differentiates Islam from any religion, and maybe you've heard me many times in my video saying that Islam is based upon knowledge. You know, it's not just based upon emotion, no, it's based upon logical proofs, tangible proofs and evidences. So now what is upon you now, my sister, is to learn. And you should help her to learn. Alhamdulillah, we have classes. We have class for sisters. Every Sunday, we have classes for just sisters in the morning. I teach them, but I teach them behind the curtain. You know, every Sunday at 11:30, you are more than welcome to come. If you're able to come. But again, now what you do, learn how to pray. You know, everything step by step. And I always mention this example. If you have a cake and you eat all of it at once, what will happen to you? You will vomit. You get sick, no doubt. So in order to feel the sweetness of the cake, you take it bit by bit. So learn and look, there's many people walk here past us, many people just busy with their lives, but you, Allah have chosen you, you know, to accept Islam, and that is a big blessing. Wallahi, one of the biggest blessings is to be guided to your Creator. You know, and I always mention this example, that imagine I take care of you all your life. Would you not be grateful to me? If I take care of you all your life, would you not be grateful to me? You would be grateful to me. You would thank me a lot. So you, Allah, our Creator, has been taking care of us all of our life. But you haven't been, due to your society or your community, you didn't know. But now, alhamdulillah, after Islam was clarified to you, alhamdulillah, you become Muslim. So be strong and remember, this life is like a bridge. You know, when you die or he dies or I die, we're not gonna be in the grave together. You will stand before the Creator by yourself. He will stand from the Creator by himself. So remember, be strong and learn. And remember, this life is like a bridge. You know, you cross from one side to the other side. So no one builds houses on a bridge. You know, bridge is utilized for us to cross one side to the other side. Likewise, we're going to cross from this life to the other life, which is the hereafter. What we have to know, we need is our righteous actions. And in order for our actions to be righteous, has to be according to the teaching of the Creator. That's why he sent Prophet Muhammad, Prophet Jesus before that. So learn, and if you have any question, you have the brother. You know his name Shamsu? And my name Shamsi. You know he looks so he's with O and mine with I. You know, Shamsu. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah that, you know, alhamdulillah, except Islam, I'm very happy for you. But be strong, because why? Allah will test you, because this life is a test. So be strong, you know. Like I said, he's not going to come with you in the grave. I'm not going to come with your grave. Now make sure you learn and study to come closer to your Creator by pleasing him. Understand?